Greetings, this is Coach Jeremy Wintercheck with today's Kingdom Culture Devotion. And today's devotion is based on 1 John chapter 2:6, which says, "Whoever says that he abides in him ought also to walk in the same way in which he walked." You know, words are extremely powerful things that can be used to build up or to tear down. However, one thing words cannot do is make something true. I can say that I'm the hardest worker on the team all day long. However, unless I follow those words with action, it's just not the case. Similarly, the Bible tells us that our faith-filled words should be followed by faith-filled actions. Just like it says in 1 John that whoever says he abides in him should also walk the same way. In Kingdom Athletics, we have a set of things that we strongly identify with, like the Eagle Way, the process, and our core values. These are items that we discuss frequently. We say that we want to be people who demonstrate love, discipline, toughness, respect, hustle, heart, and competitive excellence. We discuss doing things right, being responsible, and being respectful. And at the end of the day, our actions determine whether or not we are who we say we are. That's why we always say to let our walking do the talking. So here are a couple of questions we can ask ourselves regarding the information we just discussed. Number one, what do I say about who I am? Number two, are we really who we say we are? And number three, if not, what can I do to become more like the person that God wants me to be? Have a great day. This is Coach Jeremy Wintercheck with Kingdom Athletics.